towering thunderstorms are forming, their rotating updrafts twisting into violent tornadoes, pulling in moist air from surrounding areas, creating massive spiral columns that touch the ground, causing catastrophic damage. Winds are spinning at incredible speeds, exceeding 300 miles per hour, making them some of the fastest rotating phenomena on the planet. Warm air rises, cool air sinks, and the rotating wall cloud develops. A funnel cloud extends, touching the ground, becoming a devastating tornado, its path unpredictable, its power unrelenting. The storm is intensifying, the tornado is strengthening. It's a force of nature, unleashing its fury.